welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial on the new iPhone 13 Pro. I'm already set up. I'm letting you guys see what it looks like with just natural light. So I just have a window over here, letting that light come in, and that's it. This is the quality right now. I'm going to switch on all my lights so you guys can see how it looks. Okay guys, so this is what the video quality look with my two soft boxes as well as my ring light. The new iPhone does have a cinematic mode, which is like a movie shooting mode, and I was super excited to try it out and just see what that looks like, because that is a good feature that they added, that more people can use their iPhones to film better quality YouTube videos. If you guys don't know, I started my channel filming on my iPhone. What did I have back then? I believe I had the 11 at that time, either the 10 or the 11. I don't remember. But I started my YouTube channel filming on my iPhone, which gave me pretty good beginner quality. The only problem I had with that iPhone was the memory. I only had 64 gigabytes on that phone, so I was constantly having to not shoot long videos or just delete a bunch of pictures and videos to make space for the video I was filming. So that got annoying after a while, and that is how I decided to go ahead and get a DSLR camera. But being able to sometimes, when convenient, be able to film a video with your iPhone is actually a great thing. It's really nice to be able to start YouTube with just your phone instead of feeling the pressure of having to buy a camera right away. So I wanted to try this out for you guys, because maybe you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Maybe you're thinking about, can you film on your phone? And the answer is yes. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro. I have 256 gigabytes of memory on this one. They got rid of the 64 for this drop, and they only have 128 and the 256. Well, it wasn't much of a, it was only like a $3 monthly price to upgrade to the 256. So I went ahead and got the 256. So if you're out and about and you don't feel like taking all the camera equipment with you, you can use your iPhone and I won't have to worry about memory. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's a little bit of a blur with the backgrounds. It's not too much. I'm all the way zoom into a 3.0, but if I was to they only do a 3.0 and a 1.5 zoom in the cinematic mode. So this is what the 3.0 looks like. I think that looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick, not doing anything too fancy. So, and I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna speed through, do my makeup, and see how the final result turns out. One more thing I want to see how it works is by showing product displays. So let's see if it will focus on the product. Can you guys see the product name clearly? I think it does. I think it switches from your face to the product pretty good, and then back to your face. So that's pretty good right there. right, you guys, this is the final look. How does it look? I think it looked pretty good. Like, if I probably didn't tell you guys that I filmed this on my iPhone, you probably wouldn't believe it. So I think the quality is pretty good. What do you guys think? All right, guys, let me know in the comments how the quality of this video looks. This was more of how the quality looks on the iPhone, not really a makeup tutorial, but I figured I'll just put some makeup on, film this video so you guys can see what it looks like. That way, if you're thinking about getting the new iPhone 13, maybe this will kind of help, you know, make that decision. I think that honestly, if you're gonna film with your phone, just make sure you get the bigger memory. You don't want to be filming and get that notification that says memory is full. So that was my biggest thing in the past, but I'm so happy now to have 256 gigabytes. Ain't no running out. I also filmed this in 1080p, I believe, and they also have 4K, but 4K takes a little bit more memory, which I probably would have been okay, more than likely with 256, but I didn't want to, you know, force it, so I just went ahead and filmed this in 1080. So this is what it looks like. I try to give you guys a close-up, and that thing looks good. It looks good. So I do wish they would give a little bit more control to the user in the cinematic mode, because you can only do the 3-point zoom or the 1.5 zoom, I believe. So I wish they would give more range where you can kind of, because I would probably zoom out just a tiny bit more if I had the control to kind of go between the 1.5 and the 3, and somewhere in between maybe 2 or so. So I do hope that in the future they will make that possible, because if a lot more people are going to use their phones to film longer content, then you want to give them more control over the blurring effect and the zoom and stuff like that, because to me this is kind of close, but then again I think it looks pretty good. I think it gives the more natural vibe instead of making it too bright. That is something I'm seeing right now. I don't know if it has anything to do with the brightness on my phone, but I do like the way it gives me this natural look, because sometimes when I'm filming with the camera or my vlogging camera, sometimes it's a little bit too bright, and when I'm editing, then I have to kind of try to balance it back out. But I think the way it is right now, I really don't have to tweak like the brightness or contrast and stuff like that a lot. So I think that is pretty good. So especially if I'm trying to film like bathroom content, something where I just don't feel like setting up all the camera, then I can just reach for my phone, knowing I have enough memory and knowing the quality is gonna be up to par with what I normally post with my camera. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it for you guys. If I didn't tell you guys I was filming with my phone, would you even know that I was filming on my phone? That's the thing. So let me know down below if you have the iPhone 13. How are you enjoying the features and the upgrades? Let's have a conversation down below. And that is it for this video, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.